Logging out devices from your Gmail account is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can do it. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, comment under the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to go to the Google Chrome and go to your Gmail account on the right hand side. So once you're in the menu, just click on your Manage Your Google Account option. It will redirect you to this link. So once you're in the Manage Your Account option, what you have to do is to on the left go to the left hand side, and on the left hand side you will see a security option. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the security option, what you have to do is to swipe it down, and you will see all the activity devices right here. Go ahead and click on it. So what you can do is simply select the device you want to log out your account from, and after that what you have to do is to go ahead and click on logout. So that way your account will be logged out from that particular device. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.